hunra ada kaki. Oi tin. Samni macam nanti. Samni macam. Video apa? Semisal ingat semia.
Kajikan at kabajur kalami ibiang hak shnong kaput ke jelam Meghalaya bat Assam hamai kuli. Hadian bagladan kejing keno bakat tu kan ingut kinong shnong na Assam kilalet ban tak rong ban penduk pendam kejing tho no mot balatai lembaga skim NREGA. Jong kapungri dokha kabaladai try de shnong mai kuli. Kembali ojing tip bagan kejing jai kan at kelajah kamiet jong kalaipo terik unai biang. Ha kabala keno bakat tu kan ingut gibran Assam kilalet ban le kan kam. Tarudu bagalami kejing yasho edat apa lagi nong shnong kamai kuli ban na Assam. Mar tang Maria jengtip nagaliang gibor kulit ke Meghalaya bat di Magister kilalet cakane kejaka bantem yakane kejing kenat. Wala hadian kaladon kejing penbet di Magister na Assam bat Meghalaya rengkat bat kipulit na bro arti ligi jelai. Nrei haka step kebabut kata kasitrik uno opera arajar arpusan. Kalami biang kahuri hura kebajur tarhadu baginong yalam ke FKJGP North Khasi Hills District lembat ginong yalam ke All Right Marwet People's Federation kilalit banai ke jing senran ya ginong shong ke mai kuli bat kilo kular ru banai ke jing trailang banwanra ya ka shong suk shong san akan ikatan kaput habakren beginong tho kubor halor ke jing ja nakaliang u Deputy Commissioner ke district di Boy Abilash Baranwal ula pentip ba mare yo jing tip halor ke jing ja mar nakaliang kibor punya district lapha ay Magister bat kipulet bandit bantem ya ke jing kenat. Ulang ru banakaliang ki arliang sorkar kidang penterekam ya ke Peace Committee ban petngor ki kendum kenram hapo gini shnong kaput. Ndrei ma mar kejingdan ki resham kabu jumi ki jeng kanat bat ki kendum kenram. Ndrei nakaliang ki bor kena distrik ki pentikna ban kam ya ki to ki brio ki resham kabu bat ki bawan ra ke jeng per jingmot dan pentut ya ka shong sok shong san. Hakabedai bat kapung rido ka jaga mai kudi. Ilaong bakadai ka bahap hapo Meghalaya. Baru Deputy Commissioner Ulong bagani kejengkran kedan hapeng arliang mamla jong sarkar Assam bat Meghalaya. Ha kabaidai bagi jengnai ai jingkershan dagi nong yalam jong FKJGP North Khasi Hills District. La penlong ya kani kejeng yalang bagi nong yalam shnong rengkat ginong shnong kamai kuli bantip benia halor ke balaja bat kila kularu ban ya donlang bat ban senran bat ki kenang barwanra ya ke shong sok shong san.
Reports yesterday late night that some antisocial elements have blackened the MG Narega board for Maikuli Fishery Pond. We immediately dispatched magistrate yesterday to have a word with the people to show presence from the administration side. Simultaneously, as of now, we have already taken it up with the counterpart district administration to make sure that the culprits are brought to book. Those who are trying to bring or disturb the social harmony over there, they should be brought to book, and so that there is no untoward incident in the future as well. And so the peace committee is working. They have already had 1-2 meetings so far, but always, I mean, in fact, these are the incidents which show that the peace committees are working, because those who have vested interest in maintaining and in not allowing peace to come over, they are trying to do these type of things so that the peace committee becomes unsuccessful. But then whatever local disputes over there, whatever developmental issues over there are, we are trying to coordinate with this peace committee so that all these stakeholders are taken into account. Maikuli people have registered their grievance, and they have also submitted their petition to not just DC office but also to the government of Meghalaya. And as per their wishes, the government of Meghalaya is currently having discussion with the government of Assam as well. For me to be able to speak on this matter would be quite premature, as it's a matter of ongoing discussion between two states. The moment we got information, we anticipated that it might lead to heightened up emotions. Some people might take an advantage and create social disharmony over there. So we have dispatched police. In fact, from Assam side also, they have dispatched police. And as of now, police presence is there from both ends.